Hey Bob, this is Jason with Taylor & Sons Chevrolet in Sandpoint, Idaho. Thanks for inquiring about the Ford F-150. Real nice rig that we got here. I know you wanted me to point out any blemishes or anything really going on with this vehicle, but overall, the exterior of this vehicle is in excellent condition. Shooting down the side of the vehicle here, not as much as even really a door ding. Tires, actually I think this tire is brand new, but I did inspect all the tires going around and it seemed to be in at least 70% condition. It's a light rub mark across here that can probably be buffed out. Coming back in, yeah, real nice tire depth in there. Okay, well, I'm going to walk us around, show you the back seat first. Get down here to inspect the leather. Back seat really does look unused. Carpets have no stains in them and just shampooed. Similar here on the front seat, even the driver's seat shows really next to no wear at all. Nothing preventative going on inside the vehicle. Sunroof up above. Get the rear window that opens. Here's your instrument cluster with the Alpine stereo. Power windows, power locks, folding locks. Memory seats, very nice vehicle in excellent condition here, Bob. Once again, my name is Jason with Taylor & Sons Chevrolet. My contact information or my cell phone number is 208-304-2040. Please call me and we can discuss when you might be able to come over and take a look at this nice rig. Thanks so much.